Now this is something quite unique. This is to celebrate a 60th birthday party for a lady who absolutely loves India. Her heart belongs to Goa, apparently, one of her favourite places to visit in India. Probably the most touristy bit, but she absolutely adores the culture and everything about India. So, the theme I've gone with this one is sort of grand, statement, this effect going down the side. I've tried to sort of recreate a sari. You know, the scarves or the outfits the ladies wear. So I've kind of given it the effect that it's sort of, the sari's wrapped around the cake. And then I've gone for this gorgeous teal colour around the cake. On top, I've got an orange top. I've panelled, excuse me, I've panelled this cake. So that's enabled me to get a different coloured top to the side with the fondant. So panelling means you will have a seam down the back of your cake, but if you spend a bit of time smoothing the seam, then you can get it almost invisible. And panelling as well also gives you these extra sharp edges. It's a bit tricky, but you know, to achieve this look is just so worth it. The detailing around the bottom, I've used a mould, a fondant mould. This, it like comes in strips and joins together. I think you can just see there, it's sort of, it's a continuous thing, but it does join together. The mould is by Marvellous Moulds, and that goes all the way around the back. So in this bright, vibrant orange colour. The detailing down the sari is just again a fondant mould, and I've painted it with gold lustre dust. This mould here again is a Marvellous Mould. That's the brand name of it. It's Marvellous Moulds, and it's just perfect for this type of grand cake. And then on top, this is actually a present for the birthday girl. So it's a great way to incorporate presents into cakes sometimes, if you've got something that's suitable to sit on top of the cake. With this, it's quite lightweight, but that just can be sat on top of the cake, and that just finishes it off amazingly, doesn't it? So this is it Ganesh? Ganesh, not Ganache. Ganache is the chocolate that I use around my cakes. This is Ganesh, the elephant god, and he's very famous in India, in the Indian culture. And he's just sort of sat on top of this cake, just giving it the look. Just look how stunning the colours are together. I mean, India is known for its vibrancy, its colourfulness. You know, ladies' and gentlemen's clothes in India just scream colour, and this is just a celebration of all those things mixed into one. So you'd say I've got the golds, the elegant golds, the orange, the teal, the pinks, the blues, all colours you sort of wouldn't traditionally use together on a cake. But just look how fantastic and royal this is. On the base, I've used an impression mat, so I've gone for a similar colour fondant to match his little base there, because we've got so much gold going on him. I initially thought, why don't I use gold on the base, but I thought that might be a little bit too much. So what I've done is I've used an impression mat, and then just dusted slightly with gold, if you can pick that up on the camera. Again, it just gives it that sort of royal look, that fantastically regal royal look. And then I've trimmed the board with a orange ribbon, again to tie in. If you've got, you know, similarities with your fondants and your ribbons, it always works really well. Not necessarily, I mean, you don't have to, you can, as I say, I've said in previous videos, this ribbon can be absolutely any colour you want, but I just think the orange, you know, we've got the orange there, and then the orange on top. So it's sort of symmetrical, if you like. And also the little detailing on the sari here. These little, are they fleur-de-lis designs? They were just using a fondant mould again. Not much more I can really say about this cake, apart from, wow, I'm in love. So much fun to do. You know, this cake could have been any colour, could have been, you know, the same design, but could have come out extremely differently. And I could have also, I really could have gone to town on the detail on this one. I was planning on putting some little sort of bindi jewellery type designs around here, and some more on the top, but I thought, no, stop before it gets a little bit too cluttered. But this kind of theme would be forgiving if it had been a bit more cluttered, because as I say, India and Goa, it's colourful, vibrant, detail, so much going on. But yeah, there we are. This little fella sitting on top. As I say, he's a present for the birthday girl, so tying a cake in with a present can work really well sometimes. But this, it's just gorgeous, isn't it? I am in love.